Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 25RR-BL. This camper comes in at 30 feet 10 inches, tongue to bumper, and weighs right at 5,700 pounds empty. Up front here we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your hard shell cover with a quick access lid. Diamond plate rock guard. We have your curved radius front end. Couple key features of the Black Label package is the fiberglass on the exterior and the deep tinted frameless windows as well. Magnetic door catch, lots of storage up front here. Down below we have an LP quick disconnect, so if you have a portable gas grill you want to take with you, you can plug it in and use the gas on the camper. We also have electric jacks on here for the stabilizer jacks. How that'll work, there's a switch underneath. You will hold that down, one leg will come down first, the other will come down, and they will equal out in pressure. Right back here, we have this holographic light that shines down with the wolf head emblem, so at nighttime, really makes it pop. It makes you stand out from the rest. We also have the blue LED accent light underneath the power awning, which also has an adjustable leg here, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning as well. Sturdy steps getting inside where the weight goes to the ground. Each leg is adjustable if the ground is not level where you're at. We have an oversized grab handle. Full-size entrance door. It is the black tempered glass entrance door. It has an integrated window and full-size screen door as well. Outside entertainment center where your speakers light up blue. We also have this nice emblem with the Black Label package here. TV connections right here and the TV bracket on the outside, which is the same bracket on the inside. You simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. Down below, you'll notice that we have the adventure package. We have the diamond plate that runs along the bottom metal piece here. The oversized tires and a 2-inch lift. We have the center cap popped off. It is the quick easy loop axle. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and this tire pressure monitoring system. And how that'll work, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. That way you could just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. In the back here, we have this leash latch. We are pet friendly, so the furry family members can tag along as well. We have your patio system already set up for you to view. Bright LED light up top there. Backup camera is included as well. There's also a screen wall that will roll down. You'll see that with our pictures online. We have a ladder prep at the very top where you could buy a telescoping ladder to hook it in there. We also have ventilation in the garage. There's one on the other side as well, so you can get cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road if you're hauling anything with fumes in it. Down below, we have your sewer hose holder, so you can store that when not in use. Here we have your furnace vent. This is a 30 amp unit, and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. This is for your cable satellite. If you're at a campground that offers that, you can tap into it right there. We have this light over here right by your dump station and connections, which is really convenient if it's nighttime out so you can see what's going on. We have your black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here and that'll blast out the tank for you. We have a low pressure spray port with hot and cold water here for your outside shower. And then underneath that is your water connections. We have your fresh water fill on the left. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. We have your city water. So if you're at a campground, you hook up the water hose and that'll just pressurize the lines for you. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system. It is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 25RR-BL. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice there is another light shining down right there that says Black Label. Another neat feature that Gray Wolf incorporates here. We have the toy hauler, lots of storage up above, and also a lot of great windows back here. Really open everything up. And right inside the entrance door, here is that other vent that will give you that cross ventilation. We have your main control panel where you can see how full your tanks are, turn your lights on and off, water pump, run your awning in and out. And there is also 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks here, giving you an extended season option here. Large window, multiple 110 outlets along the wall. We also have the tie-down brackets, and those will run all the way up front here. I'll take a step back and show you how those go all the way up, right in front of the refrigerator here. We have your Booth dinette, where you can actually get 2 single beds if you just take the backs off of those, or you can lay the table flat in the middle and push the cushions together and get 1 large sleeping area. And those will also fold up. That way if you need to load up a motorcycle or something, you can get those out of the way. There's your screen wall. Got the patio open, really opens everything up for you in here. Lets in a lot of fresh air, a lot of sunlight. Overhead storage. In the kitchen area, we got more storage overhead. We have this huge kitchen window. Range vent that will vent to the outside. We have your single bowl sink that is like a farmhouse style. And that has the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. The countertops are upgraded for the Black Label package, and these are more of a solid surface countertop. It also comes with the cover there, so you can use that sink as prep space if you're not cooking. We have storage down below. Underneath the microwave is your furnace, and then right up above that we have the microwave, which is a convection microwave, and an air fryer as well. 3-burner stove. Again, with the glass top, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking. We have your 12-volt refrigerator, which is 12-volt only, but we do have a 100-watt solar panel already mounted on the roof to help run this while traveling down the road. These refrigerators are much deeper than the older gas style, giving you more storage inside. Down below, we have your breakers and fuses. On the right, we have a voltmeter to keep an eye on your battery and a 12-volt cutoff switch with the red key. That way you can kill all 12-volt power to your battery when the camper is not in use. Over here at the entertainment center, we have a shoe garage at the bottom, so you can kick your shoes off underneath there. We have your stereo, which is AM/FM and Bluetooth compatible. TV connections right up above with your bracket and the connections mounted up on the ceiling. We do have a subwoofer and your air conditioner roof mounted, and there are also 2 other interior speakers that are on the ceiling as well. In the hallway, we have your window. We also have your digital thermostat that will run your air conditioner and furnace for you. And here we do have the hallway to get to the bedroom, even if somebody is in the bathroom, which is always a great feature. Inside, we have your toilet area. Directly up above that, we are going to have this high-speed exhaust fan. And then over above the sink area, you have your medicine cabinet. Down below that, we have this large single bowl sink, which is specifically for the Black Label package. Behind that, we have a 110 outlet and your digital thermostat for the on-demand water heater. That is where you can turn your water heater on and off and control the temperature of it. Over here with the corner shower, we have the skylight up above. Corner showers are great, giving you extra room in here. And also part of the Black Label package is the shower head here, where it's got the rainfall head and the multiple sprayer option. And over here, we have more storage as well. And now we will go up and take a look at the bedroom area. We will go in right behind me here through the bathroom. This camper is equipped with a queen size bed, and the comforter is included. Up above the bed, we have your reading lights, where they can be on as the white reading lights or the blue accent light as well. Over to the left, we're going to get some hanging storage. We have built-in nightstands. This one has the 110 outlet right beside it. And then also a spot where you can charge a Bluetooth speaker that you can buy separately and keep it docked up right there. Over in the corner, I'd like to show you that there is a spot for a TV in the bedroom. If you wanted to add one, there's a TV backer already built into the wall where you can get the bracket and just screw it right in there. We have your overhead storage with cabinets, which makes it great to utilize while traveling down the road. We have more hanging storage on the other side, again with another built-in nightstand. Over here, what makes this outlet a little unique is that it has a built-in inverter with it. So as you're traveling down the road, you can utilize that 110 outlet off of 12-volt power. We have another window over here on this side. And now we will sneak back out and get a nice overview of the entire camper here. Again, this is the Gray Wolf 25RR-BL. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.